at Downeast Under Creations here in Millbridge, Maine. We're located along the Bold Coast, very close to the U.S.-Canadian border. I hope you enjoy the video that I'm presenting today, and if you do, I'd appreciate it if you'd please subscribe. Like or dislike the video, please comment in the comment section and share it. I'd very much appreciate it. This week is a very simple project that almost anybody can take on in only a matter of minutes using some scrap plywood, and I used some round bar, but you could use some 1/4 bolts that you just cut off the hex head. Use those, or you could use wooden dowels, that's fine. What this is a Centerline marking tool. A pencil just goes in a little hole in the middle, and this tool just gets adjusted to the width of the board to draw a line right down the middle, so that maybe you want to find the center line where you can line up your nails or your screws when you're building something. You can take a ruler and a pencil and you can mark out your center line and draw it, but that takes a little bit of time. This is just very, very quick and easy. Taking your pencil, adjusting for the width, drawing it down, you have a line right in the middle of the board, and you're good to go. And it only takes minutes to make one of these. You can make them for practically nothing. And I've included a free set of plans in both Imperial and metric dimensions. And you don't have to stick with this size. You can make them any size you want. You can make them a little bit narrower. You can make them longer for wider boards. If you wanted to, you could put a number of holes and make the dowels. You can place them in different positions for different width boards. So you can just make one tool, and but the dowels may get lost. This round bar is in there pretty tight, and so it's not something I'm going to take out again. It's up to you. The plans are available for free download in the video description below. I hope you have fun with this project. This is a very handy tool. It's cheap, doesn't cost you hardly anything. It's very quick to do. So get out in the shop, make some sawdust, make one of these and add it to your tool collection. And thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it.